What's going on, YouTube? The MJ Scientist here. Well, in this little fun video, I wanted to unbox my Michael Jackson Hot Toy figurine to you guys. I basically got it still sealed about a few months ago, and I'm really tempted to open it. I want to see it with my own eyes, basically, and it's one of the few sealed items I have that I will open. So I decided to make a video. Hope you guys are well in your lives. Let's get started. Got the box cutter right here. Gotta be careful. As you can see, here is the box, the shipping box of the Thriller Hot Toy figurine. I am very excited to open it. Let's get it going, guys. I'll try to be careful. Well, I have to be careful, but I'm not going to show you guys all the unboxing, but I'll try to do it like this. Okay, here we go. Cut it nice and lightly. Hope you guys are doing wonderful with your lives. I'm pretty tired, like always. But I thought this would be a fun video for Thriller's 42nd anniversary today. Happy anniversary to one of my favorite albums. Alright, I got the top open. Oh man. As you can see, that's what it looks like, the shrink wrap. Hope you guys can see it. Get a little closer here. Set it on my bed and slowly get it out. Wow. It's like I'm stepping back in time, you guys. Wow. Voila. There she be. A beautiful Hot Toy figurine. I got it for a decent price as well, you guys. $300 for this. Still sealed in the shipping box, but obviously not anymore. But that's okay. I'm desperate to see this toy. Actually, I'm gonna hold it like this. Yep, we'll stand it up. Wow. Unbelievable. This is much better, actually. I thought the shipping box looked ugly with my collection, and it's so great to see it. What a beautiful piece. I'm only missing 2 Hot Toy figurines. You guys beat it, and the rare Billie Jean one. Hopefully I'll have them all one day. This is very neat. Let's slowly crack her open. I will probably fast forward the video. I'm trying to be as careful as possible with this. Pretty delicate. There we go. There we go. Wow. Try to hold it up to you guys. Oh. Very nice. Very cool. I figured $300 for this was a good deal, plus in the shipping box, but I've seen it go for $400, around there. Nice. Oh my god. That is brilliant. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Wow. Feels like I'm back in 2010, you guys. Hopefully you guys can see I'm doing my best here. I won't pull the toys out. They're staying in. Isn't that amazing? Really quality. Really beautiful. The regular and the zombie Michael. Really cool. I believe that is all. The hands, yep. Man, that is sick. Alright, I'm going to close her up. Awesome. Very cool hot toy. Glad to finally see it with my own eyes. Alright, you guys. A little quick unboxing video here for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I sure did. Anyway, guys, thanks. More videos to come. Goodbye.